1 minute of market open, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Previous day, that means Friday market, before market closing, a buy call generated, green color candle started. That buy call ended up break out the first target range, and today 1 minute of market open, sell call. Right now you are watching this video. Like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls like a signal. Whenever the breakout happen, in live market, it will give the calls like a signal. Today the first candle very big down. Can you see that green color candle, first candle 9:15 AM, very big down. So the downside breakout, sell call, red color candle open. Whenever we watch the market, we know market was going downside direction, but we don't know is where to take the entry. This chart, it's a robotic tool. It robotically analyzes the candle movement. Whenever the robotically it break out the candle, it live market it will give the calls like a signal. Right now it's a sell call, sell signal, so it's a red color candle. Like this you will get the entry point. Through this entry point you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trade. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's a last month of the year, December month. So December 2, Monday market we are watching. In 1 minute of market open 9:16 AM, sell at 52,200. On daily basis we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. In few minutes we will show option chart also. So we will have idea about future and option. So to in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, sell at 52,200. That is our entry point. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry line. Below line are target line, above line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is 52,200. The first target is 52,069. It's a 130 point first target range. In 10 minutes of sell call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. In first 5 minutes, 50% target achieved. In next 5 minutes, remaining target also break out. Like this in 10 minutes, 9:15 to 9:25, it break out the 100 point target. 51,000 put option out of the money we are watching. Like this you can change script at the money, in the money, out of the money also. The buy call came at 432 and all the way to 480. So like this, you can change script and watch also. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail.